So I've got a bag of dry ginger and I'm going to blend all of this. So here it goes. Let's be honest, ginger is one spice that shows up everywhere. Tea, it's ginger. Stir fry, it's ginger. And if you're Nigerian like me, if you're making kununzaki, there is ginger inside that too. It's a very spicy and bold herb. You can slice it, you can grate it, you can grind it just like I'm doing. And it is way more powerful than you think. It is known to reduce inflammation, supports digestion, and ease nausea. Dry ginger is more concentrated, it's very earthy, and it has a kick to it. While fresh ginger is really vibrant, it's sharp, and it has undertones of citrus. Not super obvious, but you can kind of taste that in there. Being honest, fresh ginger tastes a lot better in meals than dried. I always find that I enjoy using fresh ginger compared to dried. The flavor is just totally different. Dried keeps for longer, and when I saw fresh ginger, over time it shrivels and then it starts to sprout and loses its intensity in flavor. It's always good to have dried ginger to hand, particularly if you use it often and when you can't find fresh ginger. Now in this video, it's not necessarily just about the health benefits, but though that is important, I'm trying to emphasize the importance of how preparing ginger and how to store it properly really matters to ensure that it stays fresh. I store mine in the pantry away from direct sunlight and in a clean and sealed jar. When I use my ginger for my day-to-day purposes, I have a smaller jar that I kind of decant some ginger into, which you're going to see a bit later. And that just allows me to ensure that the larger quantity is kept in the pantry away from direct sunlight, reducing the exposure to air constantly every day. You know, I'm sure some of you might have noticed, if you've ever kept spices on your windowsill, over time you're going to notice they start to change in color. So you want to avoid that. Ginger is hard work. I think I've been blending about 10 minutes now, at least, or probably 15, and my jar is almost half full. Well, it is half full actually. I'm just trying to level it. Yeah, so I've still got half left in the bag, so I'll keep going. So there are these hard pieces of ginger. I'm not sure why they're not blending. But yeah, this thing is getting quite warm, so I'm taking breaks in between to make sure I don't damage it. I've already got quite a few that are quite tough. Let's keep going. To sieve this, I like it like this. This is fine enough for me, and this is one of the best ginger you can ever have. There is another type, but it smells and tastes a bit bitter. I'm not too sure what varieties they are. Maybe I'll leave that in the comments. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep on going. Some water. Grinding ginger is tough work. Oh my goodness. The last batch of this. So there are basically different types of ginger. There's the common ginger, which has a very intense culinary flavor. There's the young stem ginger that is obviously harvested very early, and it has a mild taste, and it's usually pickled. Then you have galangal, which is also known as Thai ginger. You have torch ginger, which is very floral and citrusy. You also have black ginger, which has a purple interior and is very high in antioxidants. Let's do this. But I still have this, so I'm not sure. They're really, really tough. I don't know why. Probably my blender is not strong enough to blend these. But I'll still try and see if they will blend. Can somebody tell me why they didn't blend before? But when I put them all together, the really tough ones, like they all blended. I don't understand. Well, birds of the same feather flock together, I guess. Here's the really stubborn ginger going in. So I'm just going to press this down because everything, oh my hair out of the way, everything has got to go into this jar. Or I might put this in my smaller jar because I have another jar that's this is my everyday ginger jar. Yes, you didn't think I was just going to be taking out of this large one on a regular everyday. No, I have a smaller one I decant into for easy use, and I store this other one in my pantry. Yeah, there you go. Ginger to last you for months and months. Well, it depends on how you use it anyway. So, but yeah, guts. So here's my ginger. I'm going to transfer this label from here. See, just transfer it here. It says dried ginger. Bum, 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 bum.